Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are going to start Unit 2. Its title is I Love My Country. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. So under the title of Formal and Lexical Skill, we are going to learn about pronouns, which are basically substitution words. And we'll cover the SLO. And before that, let me tell you, in English for grade 2, we have already learnt about substitution words. Do you remember? I hope yes. If not, you may watch this video lecture again and we learn further to recognize substitution words as pronouns, identify and recognize the function of pronouns, and identify and use pronouns in sentences. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's mentioned in Quran, Surah Ikhlas. Proclaim, O dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, He is Allah. He is one. Allah is the unwanting, perfect, does not require anything. He has not offspring, nor he is born from anything, and there is none equal to him. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful surah tells us Allah is one and the only. He does not have any offsprings. Means he is neither he gave birth to anyone and neither he was given birth. He is all and all by himself. So my dear children, beta, here I have encircled the word he, and whom we are using this word for? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is a substitution word, remember? So we are going to learn further about it. My father is a businessman. My father is an honest and truthful man. My father loves us. Now, my dear children, when we write or speak like this, it does not look nice. Every time I'm saying my father, my father, my father. So what is the purpose of substitution word? We replace the noun with substitution words, which are called pronoun. For example, how I can say it or write it in a better way. My father is a businessman. He is. Now this he is pronoun. This he is substitution word for what? My father. That's why by replacing my father, I have written he. That's why it is called substitution word, and grammatically we call it pronoun. He is an honest and truthful man. He loves, again, who loves? My father. My father. Now this my father, I have replaced this noun with he. This is substitution word, which is pronoun. He loves us. Now, do you understand why we use substitution words? And there is no difference in these two paragraphs if we see its meanings or its, whatever we are talking about. Both paragraphs are same, but it's better expression. Why? Because we avoid repetition of noun. We should not write noun again and again. So we replace the nouns with few words which are known as substitution words or pronouns. Are you clear? Okay, I'm going to explain it further. Pronouns are words that are used to take the place of nouns in sentences. They usually refer back to a noun used earlier in the sentence, and they must match the number, point of view and gender of the noun, right? So the basic thing is pronouns are the words used to replace nouns, right? This is the definition of pronouns. How do we replace it? For first person, and what first person is? The person who is talking. I am first person, and if I'm more than one, it becomes we. So for singular, pronouns are I, my, or me, and plural is we, our, or us. Second person, what is second person? You, to whom I'm talking to, you. So singular, you or your, and its plural is same, you and your. Third person means a person who is not around. We are talking about someone who is not around. So if the third person is male, we use he, his, or him. If the third person is a female, we use she or her, and we use it or its for animals and non-living things. And if we are talking about more people, then it will be they, their, or them, right? So all these words which replace the nouns are pronouns. You got the point? Whenever we replace nouns with these words, these are all pronouns. Okay, so let's practice it from your book. What does your book say about it? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. For singular, it's I, he, she, it, or you. For plural, it's we, they, and for more than one, it is you as well, right? For example, she is my friend. Now this she is a pronoun because I'm talking about a girl who is not around. For example, I say, she's Sarah and she's my friend. Now this she refers to Sarah. She is my friend. Okay. It is a basket. Okay. So it is, here it's a pronoun. They are cricketers. Okay. They are cricketers. So because they are more than one, that's why they, I have used in plural form. They are cricketers. You got it? Yes, I have explained it to you. So these are the examples. Yes, it's a beautiful activity which you will perform in pairs. Work in pairs, you will be provided with a newspaper. Teacher, you can take any reading material, preferably if you have cutting of newspapers, that's even better, or any text in English. You and your partner must find pronouns from the specific news that your teacher will assign you. Each student has to identify as singular and plural pronouns. Okay, beta, so it's very simple. You'll work in pairs. Your teachers kindly make pairs of students, then give them material to read, and they will point out pronouns and they will tell either it's singular or plural. Pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's a practice time from your book. Complete the following sentences with correct pronouns by looking at the pictures. Now you know what the pronouns are and which pronoun we use at what place. You will read the sentence and you will find out which pronoun is going to fill up this place. Okay, so read carefully. These pictures are there to help you out. So complete these sentences by putting correct pronouns. Pause the video, complete this exercise in your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is the use of pronouns. Use the following pronouns in sentences of your own from the context. So pronouns are given. You will use these pronouns in sentences. Teachers, I suggest first take this activity orally and then make students to write the sentences in their notebook. Pause the video, complete this exercise in your notebook. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So we have had enough practice of pronouns. It's time for your homework. Write 5 sentences about your family. Oh no, it's about your favorite book. Okay, your favorite book by using pronouns. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience, and kindly provide printed worksheets to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, the personal pronouns are given here. You are going to complete these sentences by using pronouns, and you have to find out the pronouns from this word puzzle. So in this way, what we have learned today, we recalled substitution words. And we learned that substitution words are pronouns. We practiced use of pronouns. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to identify and recognize the function of pronouns, recognize substitution words as pronouns, and identify and use pronouns in sentences. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.